Hi, my name is Sia, and I'm a rising junior in Biotechnology High School. And the project I chose is the third act for the visually impaired. So for my second milestone, I connected all the parts to the breadboard, and I got them all to work together. As you can see, all the parts are connected. The motor, the buzzer, the button, and the sensor are all connected to the breadboard and working together. And now here's the code I wrote for this. So now when I run it and pull up the serial monitor, it should show the distances in centimeters, the toggle, and the count. So as I get closer to the ultrasonic sensor, the distance will increase, and as I get farther, as I get closer, the distance will decrease, and as I get farther, the distance will increase. And since you can see that the toggle is at 0, that means the ultrasonic sensor is working with the motor. But when I press and hold on the button, the count increases, and as I let go, the count changes back, it goes back to 0. And now that the toggle is at 1, that means the sensor is working with the buzzer. So as I get closer to the sensor, the motor will vibrate, and as I get further, it'll vibrate a little slower. And when I press and hold on the button, the count will go up, and when the toggle switches to 1, the button starts working. So for the challenges I faced, at first I had trouble when I put them all together, and either the code wasn't working or my circuitry wasn't working. So what I did was I connected everything separate, all the main parts separately to the breadboard, and I got a code working for all of them just to see how it would work and if it would work. So after I figured out all of that, I combined them together. And then I still had problems with the code and stuff wasn't working. So to solve that, I took apart all of the circuitry and then tested each part again, one by one, with the new code that I wrote. And then I finally got it to work. And originally, I did that all with the Arduino Uno, just to see if the Arduino Micro was a problem. And once I got all working with the Arduino Uno, I switched to the Arduino Micro, and now I have everything working. So for my next steps, I'm gonna attach everything to the perf board, and I'm gonna make it a wearable device.